The Congress Party inaugurated its new national headquarters Indira Gandhi Bhavan at 9A Kotla Marg, Central Delhi on Wednesday. The building was replacing its long-time office at 24 Akbar Road in the Lutyens Bungalow Zone, occupied since 1978. Former party chief Sonia Gandhi led the ceremony. This move was following a Supreme Court directive requiring political parties to relocate their offices from the LBZ. The new office was located near DDU Marg, home to the BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, CPI and CPIM headquarters. Other political parties including Trinamool Congress and DMK also had offices in the area. Indira Gandhi Bhavan was showcasing Congress's legacy from its founding in 1885 to present achievements including Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra. The building's foundation had been laid by Sonia Gandhi on Congress Foundation Day in 2009. Its January inauguration resonates with key milestones including Indira Gandhi's first oath as PM on January 24, 1966 and her political resurgence in January 1980. The party is hoping the new office would symbolize revival much like 24 Akbar Road did during Indira Gandhi's era, reflecting its historic role in India's politics.